Good guys, it's Raw Kicks. Back with another unboxing video. Today we got another package from Foot Locker. These I actually got delivered February 14th, so I've had these for a long time. These got delivered a couple days after I left for my South America trip, so I was gone for over 7 weeks. So and I just haven't had time to unbox them since I've been back. So today's the day. It's been a long time. These sneakers haven't seen daylight, so time to free them and check them out. This is a pair, again, that's like an OG release that I didn't get. I even, back in the day, I remember my local sneaker store had them on sale at one point. I still didn't pick them up just because I had a lot of fives already, like grape fives and fire red fives and metallic, or I don't know what they're called, they're like wolf grays or something like that, fives. But anyways, these are the black metallic fives, size 9, retail, or I think after taxes they're like $3.15 Canadian. Again, pretty steep on the pricing. But yeah, they're an OG release, so that's kind of how the prices are nowadays. They got a divider in the box, which I've never seen before with sneakers. That's pretty new to me. But we got the classic paper here. The fives have, ooh, the suede actually looks really nice. Or I wouldn't say really nice, but it's decent, pretty good. Icy soles. They put like a lot of quality into little touches, like they got cardboard in between the laces, like the lace lock and the heel, the toe tab, I guess you'd call that. And then second pair, we have second pair of laces that come with them in black. The white, I don't know if I think black might actually look better with that. The Nike I'm noticing on the back is not stitched, it's a 3M reflective. I don't really remember that from back in the day. I feel like it was stitched, but don't remember. Somebody will have to comment on that one. But yeah, quality actually looks pretty nice. They're a little dirty out of the box for some reason. They got, the suede is kind of collecting dust and a little bit of debris. The laces they come with look super thin, like compared to the laces that are actually laced up. These ones are super thin. I don't know what's up with that. It looks kind of weird to me. But I guess with black it'll blend in so much you won't really notice, maybe. I don't know what the deal is. But these, again, go with anything. These are like, fives and 4s and 1s are my favorite. Well, 3s as well. I like all of them. But yeah, 5s are nice. 5s are super comfy. I feel they got a lot of ankle support. Obviously, they're a high top. And to be honest, I haven't really seen anybody in my city wearing these yet. Same with the cement 4s the white cement 4s that I just unboxed. So stoked to be wearing these, and not everyone else is wearing them. I don't know if it's the new price point. Oh, actually, there's even the way that the panels are cut, like each section, they're 3M reflective on the cut portion, so like they're bordered with 3M. That looks pretty sick. I'll try and get on the close enough. I'll do a flash and just light them up. And yeah, we're obviously 3M tongue, 3M Nike on the back. All the outline of all the panels, the stitch panels, are 3M as well. I don't know if they were always like that. I don't remember. I know that the old pair that I almost bought, I think they were in like 2016, I want to say. So it's been a while since these were released as well. But I think that the hang tag is 3M as well. But yeah, I'll do it up and close now. Show you a little bit more of the details. Icy sole, clear mesh on the side panels. Laces look nice. These laces look cheap, but everything else looks good. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. Okay, here's that up and close, I promise. And yeah, this is what I was trying to explain, is the outline of each section is 3M. So they put like 3M on the stitch. Nice touch. I don't know if they've always been like that. 3M tongue, and then this little cardboard piece for the lace lock. And this is what I'm talking about, the laces. Like, I don't know if you can see how thin that is. And then you look how thick these ones are. Like completely different widths. A little bit strange. Anyways, Nike Air on the insole, red insole, icy soles on the bottom. Suede, like, suede isn't, like, it's not super thick, it's pretty, like, it's really thin, but it's all, like, nice quality. But nothing like Raptor 7s or, I don't know what else I got that are suede. I guess the Bread 4s are, but I guess this is more comparable to the Bread 4s, I'd say. Nike Air on the back. Quick shot of the box here. Size 9. See box damage. I don't know. Everything from Foot Locker. These were from Foot Locker as well. Reserved, released through the app. But they always get damaged. I think they shipped the outer, like the actual shipping box too big. And that's why they get damaged every time. But yeah, I don't know why they always get wrecked. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you got a pair if you wanted them. These have released a few times over like the past 10 years, so hopefully you've had a chance now to get a pair. This is my first pair of the metallic 5s. And thank you for watching. Peace.